All right. What's going on, everyone? Aaron here, Clean Cuts Lawn Care. It is Monday morning. As you probably know, you heard me say, we have canceled mowing for the first 3 days. In the interim, we did some cold calling last week. We sold, I think, 6 jobs over the phone, just customers that I knew had stuff that needed done on their property. We had one job that, you know, we just already had it, and we were waiting to get time to do it, so now is the time. So that's what we're going to start doing today. I took Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. The first full weekend I've had off since mowing started. Other than that, let me see. I had the first Saturday off after mowing started, and then I think I had one Sunday off recently when we got caught up. The reason I didn't have the full weekend off recently is because we were doing landscaping the other day. So yeah, that's the plan for right now. Let me see, we spent Friday, Saturday fishing. Yesterday we just rested, laid around, watched TV, took some naps. All right, we got everything we need. I'm gonna need a ladder at both jobs. If we make it to that third job, I'll need this topsoil, a couple bags of sand, got our combi, got both attachments, got our blower, got a little pole saw, a couple rakes, garbage can, gas, tarp, and also the extra belt came in. If you guys remember last week, we blew a blade engagement belt. Hopefully I got everything I need. See, I keep all 3 belts for the 30-inch right there. And like I said, I'd rather them be here and not getting tore up and have to come back here in the event that I need to replace one during the day. All right, let's take a look at what we're doing. It's these low branches that are right in our way. Not that we can really want a mower all the way over here anyway, but you know, we would like to be able to come right here and then around. So it's all these low branches here, these low branches here, a couple low branches right there. I'll probably cut this one back. I'll probably cut that dead off. A couple branches right here. Now it's not the whole branch that has to come off. It's just a couple of these droopers right here. A couple droopers here. Yeah, right there. See, we can't get through here. And then this is the most important part. See how far them branches are hanging out? So we got to raise this up some. Not looking to take, you know, all this away, but these lower ones, they're a nuisance and they got to go. All right, we got this one raised. There's no making this one look, you know, pretty. It's just getting it raised, getting it out of the way. So that area is high enough. We're able to get under here with mowers. I'll trim that one dead one off. Perfect. That's all we need. Come on. I'll have to clean up here. I want to be out of here in an hour. So her son was supposed to do this over a month ago. Promised her he would do it. I had offered a price. He kept telling her he was coming. She don't got to pay for it. And it never got done. I don't miss doing tree work even one little bit. And it was something I was very good at. Did it for a long time. Would have continued to do it for a long time. But the company I worked for the last 5 years, knowing that owner, for 5 years, I said I can't work for someone else. I've always wanted my own business, but meeting him, working for him, I couldn't. I said, no, this isn't for me. All right, that's area 2. Let's see how the truck's looking. Yeah, we're gonna be getting pretty stacked up here. Now the rest of it is pine, so it can lay pretty flat, but you know, I don't know if it'll be flat enough. Get off of there, get off of there. Get off my window. You ain't playing me for the fool. Alright, we got it all to fit. I didn't even want to have to go through the hassle of charging her an extra $20, listening to, you know, how she's elderly and money is tight. I didn't want to deal with it. So I cut some pieces smaller, and I kept jumping up there, shoving it down, and it fit. So the dump might charge me $20 for this load because it is substantial. If they do, it's fine. Still better than them charging me $30 for the truck and trailer, or possibly $40. No, they wouldn't charge. No, because I could have fit all this on the trailer in one load, so it still would have only been $20. So we'll see. They might charge me $20. I don't know. I don't care. We're gonna go to the dump now because the next one is a shrub trimming job. I have my garbage can, trash bags, so I don't care about getting that debris in here. So I'm gonna go ahead to the dump now and get rid of this stuff. All right, you guys have definitely seen these in the past. I've shown them a few times. We trim them every year. All right, made it over into the corner. I don't know if you guys use a ladder or not. We bought this ladder our first year because there was a lot of jobs I knew we were gonna miss out on if we didn't have a ladder. And because of it, this $80 ladder has made us thousands just from being able to, you know, get to things that we couldn't get to otherwise. Look at that right up there. See, I see a spot I missed. See it up there? Got it. Got to move the ladder closer for that back area. All right, so the maturity of these are huge now. So when I go around to do the top on the back side, I can't do them from the ground anymore. So this will be the last time we do it at the price we're doing it at. We do it in the spring and in the fall. So probably be adding $50 on from now on. I didn't bother doing it now because I was looking to fill these time slots in anyway. But like I said, the maturity of this is just too big now. All wrapped up here. Everything looks nice and neat. Got all the overgrowth off. Everything cleaned up. And we're out. All right, something went up my nose, into like my nasal cavity, into my throat. I can't get it out, and it is burning me. I can't even describe it. It's like there's a lighter, like a flame in my throat and in my nose. I have no idea what it, I don't know if it was pollen, like one of them pollen buds. I have no idea, but it is burning. Woo. I can't get it out either. All right, just got back to the shop. Just got to load up these mowers, and then we'll get out of here. I looked down there, see where that storage is open, and I seen one of the workers go in there, and I seen her pull out a little bottle of weed spray. Now, we just sprayed all these on Friday, and you can see they're dying. Look at them. They're all brown. And these were green before we sprayed them. Look at all that. Well, I seen her start spraying, and it's not the lady who hired us to do it. So I go over there and I tell her, I go, hey, I said, I just want to tell you so you don't waste your time. I said, we sprayed the entire property on Friday. And she goes, I was wondering, they look like they're dead, and they weren't dead last week. So I said, yeah, you know. So I told her, I said, this week they're gonna get knocked down with a trimmer, and then we'll blow it all and clean it up. And she said, oh my God, she said, I was gonna keep filling it. She had a little bottle, no bigger than, like probably the same size as that sprayer right there. She said, I was gonna keep filling this up and keep going around the property spraying it. So, but they're gonna have to, you know, anyway, after we do that, because they're gonna keep growing. So, but look, I'm gonna load up these mowers, and I'm gonna get out of here. So, not mowing. It's only 3 o'clock. I'm done for the day. I made probably $20 less than if I would have mowed. Whatever, right? I'm glad we got to work. I'm glad we are going to work tomorrow, and we're going to work Wednesday. Then we'll go back to mowing Thursday, Friday. Who knows? Maybe we'll line something up for Saturday. I don't know what's going on. So, yeah, it didn't make as much money, but it's all good. So if you guys liked the video, hit like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know everything I'm doing wrong, and keep the measures clean, guys. I'm out.